Everybody claims to be a hacker, but when it comes to operating an OS such as Linux, they just fail to live up to the status of hacking. Alright, in this episode, we are going to learn how to create hidden folders, or let's say hidden files in Linux. So let's go to the directory that we're going to create a folder in. So cd music. Wait, we're in music. So in order to create a hidden file, first of all, we create hidden files to hide them from nosy people, because there are a lot of nosy people in this world and we wish to keep ourselves protected from them. So in order to create a hidden file, we use the touch command. Then you input a period, then let's say before that, let's make sure there's no file in it. ls. You can see that the directory is empty, right? The directory is empty. So in order to create a hidden file, use the touch command, insert a period before text. Great. Now let's confirm that our file has been created. Let's confirm that it's hidden. So use the ls command to check something. ls, there's nothing there, right? So ls, by the way, ls stands for list. If you don't know most of these Linux commands, kindly go back to my previous video. I spoke intensively about it. So ls, then la. So let's see. As you can see, this is the file we created. These are the hidden files. The hidden files I currently have on my PC. And this is the file we recently created. If you use the normal ls command, nothing shows. But if you use ls la, so ls la, or let's can use the ls, just write a, you get the same thing.